to SPS online classes and I am your. Tell me, what is my name? My name is Shreya. I am your Shreya teacher. And from which class? Come on, tell me, which class you are reading? Correct. You are in PP1. So I am also from PP1. So your Shreya teacher from PP1. And can anyone tell me which subject I am teaching? I am teaching literacy or English. Okay. And do you know what is the good thing? The good thing is we have completed our all strokes, means from standing line to dots, right? So we have completed our all strokes. Now it will be very easy to write the letters. Yes, from now we will start learning letters or alphabets. So before learning that, I will tell you how many letters we are having. Yes, we are having 26 letters. So in letters, two patterns are there. One is capital and one is small. So capital letters also we will learn and small letters also we will learn. Okay, and at a time now we have to learn all the letters. Do you know? Because already you have written in the nursery, so you know what are the letters, how to write the letters, right? So now itself we will, but in the nursery we have written separately, right? So now itself we will learn letters, and when we will write the letters at a time, is capital and small, both we have to write at a time. Now because you are in PP1 kids, right? And you all are big kids. So today we will learn first letter. We are having 26 letters and the first letter is letter A. What is the first letter? Letter A. Okay. Now I am writing on the board. Look here. This is a right slanting line, left slanting line and middle sleeping line. This is a letter A. Which letter it is? It's a letter A. And this one, circle, one upward curve. Small a, capital A and small a, capital A, small a. Now I am drawing something, okay? Look here. See. A for apple. A for ant. Okay. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Okay. So many things are there, you know. And A for one more thing. A for arrow. Yes, A for arrow. What is it? Arrow. So this is capital A, small A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane and A for arrow. Okay, now I'll ask you to open our semester 1 course book. So you know this is a semester 1 course book. Now open page number 10. Okay, page number 10. I am writing on the board. Okay. See. CB means course book. CB means course book. Okay. Now open page number 10. So it's a capital A. Already I have written on the board, right? So it's a capital A and it's a small a. See, look here. Small a. So here they have given a small standing line also. So you can, both are right. Both are correct. Okay. So one circle, one standing line. So this is also correct. So what is easy for you? You can write that A only. Okay. This is also correct A and this one also correct A. So capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Now A for apple. Read it. Come on. A for apple. A for ant. A for, yes, aeroplane. A for, yes, arrow. Come on, again repeat it. A for, yes, apple. Okay, A for ant. A for, come on, aeroplane. A for arrow. Okay, so here this thing you should read at home. Okay, read along with your parents. Okay, now they have given one activity for you, right? See here, this is A for apple. A for apple. So what you have to do? You have to color this apple. Okay, you have to color this apple. And here this box they have given two yellow box, right? So here so many A, even so many other letters are also there. So but what you have to do? You have to circle only capital A. Capital A. See, I am circling. So same thing you also do at your home. So you have to circle only capital A, not other letters. Don't circle other letters, okay? Only you have to identify the capital A and you have to circle. Now next, go to the down box. Okay, here also the same thing, but they have given small letters. So here, see, small letter A is also, A are also there. So many A are there, right? So small letter A, you have to circle only small letter A. Small letter A. When you are circling, you can read also. Okay. Now these are the other letters B, C, N, D, F, S. So don't circle these letters. You have to circle only small letters. So here you have to circle only capital A letters and here you have to circle only small A letters. Okay, then you have to do what you have to do. You have to color the apple. Which color? Red color. See here they have given. You can see this apple, then you can do this coloring also. Red color, and here they have given one leaf. So it will be leaf is in green color, right? Leaf is in green color. Apple red color and leaf green color. So color this one. Then you can trace this one also. They have given dots. Okay, so you have to trace this okay, circle and standing line. So they have given dots. Just join the dots and trace as a letter A, capital A and small a. So this is your homework in course book, page number 10. Okay, course book means CB, page number 10 is your homework. Now I'll give you one more homework, right? Now you all are big kids, right? So you can write so many things. Okay, now open your semester 1 practice book. Semester 1 practice book. CB means course book we have done. Now it's time for PB means practice book we will do. Now chalo we'll see what is the page number. Yes, I got it. Page number is 16. What is the page number? 16. So ask your parent to open your book, or else if you can do by yourself. See, now which finger is this? Yes, this is the index finger. Keep your finger here. Okay, they have given like this. One left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line and sleeping line. So this is a capital A and one curve and standing line. This is a small a. Capital A and small a. And A for? A for, tell me. Yes, A for aeroplane. Now, what you have to do? You have to look here, first line. They have given only first line for tracing. How you have done your strokes? The same thing you have to do for letters also. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Okay, so first line is for tracing only. Now it's time for writing. Yes, writing. See, you have now what you have to do. Don't write here and there. Where you want, you can't write. you have to check the lines. What? See, up red line, down one red line, and middle two blue lines. So what you have to do? Capital letter. You have to start from up red line to down blue line, one right slanting line. Again up red line to down blue line, one left slanting line. Then middle slipping line. Yes, so now it became capital A. Capital A. Again up red line to down blue line, one right slanting line. Again up red line, same, from same place you have to draw. Again keep here your pencil. Now up red line to down blue line, one left slanting line. So right slanting line and left slanting line. Then you have to join these two slanting line with sleeping line. So in middle you have to draw one sleeping line. Then it's a capital A. Again same thing you have to do. Capital A. Now small a, but small a, it should not touch, it should not go this up and it should not come down. You have to draw in the two blue line between two blue lines are there, in between you have to write. So one, how they have given, right here like one, like C. Okay, this is a curve. Which curve it is? This is a right curve. Then one straight standing line. A. Okay. Now A. What is this? A. Again capital A. Again capital A. And capital A. And this one small a. So you have to write in middle, small a, small a, small a. Okay, so this is a capital A, this is a capital A and small a. So capital A and small a. So these are small a and these are capital A. See, and what you have to do when you are writing, check the lines, what they have written on first line. So they have written here first line capital A, so you have to write capital A. Again they have written here small a, so you have to write small a. So like this you have to continue your writing. So this classwork and homework, same thing how you are doing at your home, same thing you have to do this classwork and homework at your home only. So, which letter we have learned today? We have learned capital A and small a. Capital A, small A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for arrow. Read this. These are in your course book also. So, this is also your homework. What is your homework? PB page number 16. I am writing here PB page number 16. Okay, so CB page number 10 and PB page number 16. So today you have two homeworks. Complete it at your home only. Okay, semester 1 course book and semester 1 practice book, CB and PB. CB page number 10, PB page number 16. Okay, so we have done our letter A and I will tell you now what is the phonic sound of letter A. Now sing along with me. Okay, A is for apple, apple, apple. A is for apple, apple, apple. Again, A is for apple, apple, apple. So what is the phonic sound of A? What is the phonic sound of A? They are telling Okay, just now we have sang. So A is for apple, apple, apple. Okay, so the phonic sound of letter A is A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? A. Again, shall we sing one more time? A is for apple, apple, apple. The phonic sound of letter A is A. So A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for arrow. Okay, so practice it at your home. Letter A. Yes, so we have learned today letter A, right? So now practice it and do your homework at your home. And now today we are completing our class. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Bye.